I think most people, when they're talking oil spills, their initial thinking goes back to Exxon Valdez in 1989. And understandably, because that is publicized and people are reminded of it constantly. But following that incident, very, very quickly, the United States introduced a piece of legislation known as the Oil Pollution Act 1990. And it pretty much became universal legislation very quickly once it had been adopted also by the International Maritime Organization. One of the key issues with the change of legislation was that tankers had to be built with two hulls, a double hull, inner and outer skin. And actually, had the Exxon Valdez been a double-skinned ship, then not a drop of oil would have been spilled. So since 1990, with the adoption of double hulls almost universally, and certainly here in North America and Europe, other large parts of the world, in combination with other protocols that we've developed in terms of the skill sets on board vessels, and here in British Columbia, the management, the pilotage training that we've undertaken, the training of our tug captains, the pre-arrival vetting of the condition of tankers that takes place today, all those things have really added several additional layers of safety, which we're quite proud of. But at the end of the day, it's easy for me to talk about those things. Really, we have to look at how we can be measured. And the reality is that in recent years, the number of spills has declined dramatically. And in fact, in 2012, there were no major spills anywhere in the world.